This walk offers a unique adventure through parts of Bangkok often overlooked by tourists. While it begins at Khaosan Road, known for its vibrant tourist scene, and passes landmarks like the Golden Mountain and the Flower Market, each a popular destination in its own right, this journey reveals a more authentic side of Thailand. Venture beyond the usual hotspots to experience a genuine slice of Bangkok's charm. Khaosan Road is a must-visit in itself. The street is always alive with activity, featuring a myriad of shops, stalls, and a lively nightlife. Food is available around the clock, and the evening brings a vibrant party atmosphere. Start your walk by the police station and stroll the full length of Khaosan Road. At the end, turn right. Across the dual carriageway stands the 14th of October 1973 memorial, dedicated to the protesters who lost their lives during the pro-democracy demonstrations on that day. Next, head left towards the Democracy Monument, a grand structure built in the 1930s to commemorate Thailand's transition from an absolute monarchy to a constitutional monarchy. Nearby, a McDonald's offers a familiar taste and a view of the monument. It's a popular spot with locals, so if you like the food, you might want to follow their lead. Continue further to find a memorial to King Rama III in the gardens of Wat Ratchanatdaram. This well-lit temple features prominently in many of Bangkok's night tours. Cross the road at the lights to Pom Mahakan, one of 14 forts incorporated into the old city wall, a nearby section of which remains intact. Then continue over the canal originally dug as a defensive moat alongside it. The dual carriageway to the left leads to Ananta Samakam Throne Hall and Vimanmek Mansion. It was built after King Rama V visited Paris and was inspired to create a tree-lined avenue similar to the Champs-Élysées, connecting the Grand Palace to Dusit Palace, which was then on the outskirts of Bangkok. Continue your walk to the right, crossing a second bridge towards the Golden Mountain. As you cross, glance to your left to see the jetty where boats depart for the Platinum Fashion Mall, Pantip Plaza, and Central World Ratchabophit. This canal offers a cost-effective and often quicker travel alternative, though it does require some agility to board and disembark. Pass by wood shops and a conveniently located fire station before reaching the entrance gate of the Golden Mountain, an impressive man-made landmark. Originally, a massive chetty was under construction during King Rama III's reign, but challenges led to its abandonment. Over time, the site weathered into a rounded hill and a smaller chetty was placed on top. Then, in the 1940s, a retaining wall was added for stability. The landscaped path to the top now features figurines, waterfalls, and other decorative elements. Before reaching the next junction, you'll find a stall where monks' alms bowls are crafted and sold. These bowls are used by monks each morning as they collect food from the community. Cross the bridge by the stall towards the giant swing, visible in the distance, passing numerous Buddhist specialty shops. A sharp right into City Square brings you to the Swing Bar, a popular rooftop venue offering views of the Golden Mountain, the Giant Swing, and Wat Suthat, one of Thailand's most important temples. Wat Suthat, which took about 40 years to build, retains its authenticity and remains largely overlooked by tourists. The temple entrance is located directly across from the Giant Swing. Continue straight past more shops selling Buddhist items until you reach what was once a roundabout, surrounded by a circle of some of the oldest buildings in Bangkok. Turn left towards Sukha 1 and Sukha 2, where every weekday morning from around 6 a.m, the busy Trok Mor street market, despite its proximity to the Grand Palace, remains largely undiscovered by tourists. A little further on, Wat Ratchabophit is notable for its unusual circular shape. Within its grounds, the royal mausoleum houses the ashes of King Rama X's paternal grandparents and other high-ranking royals. As with many temples, there are free public toilets and a donation box for visitors. The road then crosses a narrow canal passing Johny's Gems, a well-regarded jeweller, before continuing to Ban Mor, known for its wide range of electrical items. After a small Chinese shrine, you'll reach the outskirts of the flower market, Pak Khlong Talat, which extends all the way to the river and into surrounding side streets. The best time to visit is in the evening before one of the special Buddhist holy days, which are marked on local calendars by images of Buddha. When you reach the main road, turn right and continue for about 200 meters, passing the Floral Café and a variety of flower shops. To the left, across the inner city moat, you'll find entrances to both Sanam Chai train station and Rajinee River Taxi Pier. A link to a map of the route is available in the description. Clicking the markers along the route provides additional information. If you'd like to extend your walk, you can return to Khaosan Road via the opposite side of the river. However, it might be better to save that adventure for another day. We've created a video about it, so why not head to the Floral Café where you can watch the video while enjoying their refreshments? Check the description for a link to the video, and be sure to visit our website at goingtobangkok.com for more useful videos and information to enhance your Bangkok experience.